take this when you've traveled near and far.
Near or far?
Near and far. You can be a TV star. TV star. Travel near and far.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Okay, this is the gift.
Camera?
This is the gift. It's not an egg anymore. You're getting the gift. Can you guess?
Camera.
Camera, what's your guess, ate?
Well, that's what Daddy was holding up.
Let's see if you guessed right. Uh-oh, I forgot the last clue. That's okay.
And what's this? That's yours.
Open it.
What is it?
What is it?
Oh, the flashlight.
Cahaya means light, and it can make you blink. And what did you get, Laura? Did you get a camera? Was it a great guess? Okay, go look in the box. I think there's something else in there.
Another clue. It's really nice, but you
Oh, not that one.